We'll guide you through how to improve OBS recording quality. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. So perhaps somebody said about a link in bio and you're wondering what this means and how you can find it. Make sure it's this full guide and we're going to walk you through what it means. So essentially what it means, somebody's going and sharing a link to a website, or it could be a web page or another account of theirs. And so they want you to go and click on it so you can go and visit it. So what it means by in bio is everyone in Instagram has got a bio. If you come to your profile in the bottom right here, you'll go and see your bio here. So what we need to do is go and check their bio and go and find that link. So to go and do that, for example, if it was on a post, what you need to do is go and tap on their name to get to their profile. Alternatively, if it's in a story, when you're viewing their story, you can go and tap on their name at the top here to go and get to their profile like so, or you can tap their profile icon. And then in their bio, you can go and find a link. They may have multiple, they may just have one. And what you can do is go and tap on it. If they've got multiple, you can then choose from the list of different links. Let's say I wanted to go to this here, and then it'll go and load. So that's it. That is how you can go and find links in bio.